of the iodine clock because, again, you've seen the iodine clock reaction before, but we're just going to dance to it and have no words or an explanation. Oh, we were explaining at the end, okay.
Oh, I'm not explaining at the end. That was volunteer.
But Flynn's iodine clock demo is in there for kind of the recipe and such, and
We did this last Friday at MSTA for morning chemistry, and this was the week after, and we had all gone to the Goodwill, so here we go again. All right, so we'll see if we remember.
I got time. We're a little out of practice. So, iodine clock, I'm sure many of you guys have seen the iodine clock reaction before. We obviously like to have a little fun with it. The way we tend to use it at our school, we use it at the very beginning of the year to kind of teach cause and effect and learn about what an experiment actually is. So we start by them creating a graph based on data that we've given them or data that we predetermined them for them to use. And then once they create that graph, they got to pretty much determine should they add more of solution A or more of solution B or more of solution B only, because that's the only part that they change. And if they change only one part of the reaction, will it go faster or slower? And they have to eventually make a prediction based on their own data. And so after a couple days in lab, they can eventually make some pretty good predictions on whether their iodine clock will ring at a very specific time. So it's a few days in the lab, but there's a lot of graphical analysis that goes along with it, as well as getting to jump in and do a really cool chemistry demonstration on their own. Because think about back before many of us have been in the chemistry field, you have two clear colorless liquids, all of a sudden you put them together and that iodine reaction rings. That first day that we have our students do that, it is like this big awe in the classroom because for me, and I believe most of my other colleagues that do the same lab, we don't tell them what's going to happen. We usually just say, go in the lab, you're going to kind of investigate mixing these two chemicals, and you're just going to look for that one reaction to happen. Once you see it, you'll know it, and they love it once they get into it. Because for that first week in chemistry, and they really get a chance to kind of really enjoy the subject and kind of the magic, quote unquote, of